Ever felt like you're working harder, not smarter? What if I told you there's a way to flip that script? To have an assistant working for you 24/7, generating income while you sleep, travel, or just chill on the couch? No, it's not a fantasy. It's the reality of artificial intelligence. And today, I am going to show you how to harness its power to make some serious lazy money. We're living in a golden age of technology where the tools to build a side hustle or even a full-time income stream are literally at our fingertips. And the best part? Many of these AI tools are designed to do the heavy lifting for you. This isn't about replacing your job. It's about augmenting your abilities and creating new opportunities that require strategy, not sweat. So, if you're ready to learn how to make AI your most productive and profitable employee, stick around. We're about to dive into the most effective, low-effort ways to generate income using AI today. Let's start with one of the most accessible methods, high-powered content creation. You might be thinking, but I'm not a writer or a designer. And that's the beauty of it. You don't have to be. Tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, or Copy AI can act as your personal ghostwriter. Let's say you want to start a blog about a topic you're passionate about, like sustainable gardening or vintage video games. In the past, this meant hours of research and writing every single week. Now, you can give an AI a simple prompt like, write a 100-word blog post about the benefits of companion planting for beginners in a friendly and informative tone. Within seconds, you'll have a solid draft. Of course, you don't just copy and paste. The smart part of this lazy method is adding your own unique voice, your personal stories, and your expertise. The AI does 80% of the work, the research, the structuring, the initial drafting. You do the final 20, the polishing, the personalizing, the fact-checking. This allows you to produce high-quality content at an incredible speed. You can monetize this content through ads, affiliate marketing, or by selling your own digital products like ebooks, which, by the way, an AI can also help you write. Imagine running a whole network of niche blogs, all powered by AI and managed by you in just a few hours a week. That's not lazy, that's incredibly efficient. Next up, let's talk about turning pixels into profit with AI art and design. A few years ago, creating stunning digital art or professional-looking graphics required expensive software and years of training. Now, with AI image generators like Midjourney, DALL-E 3, or Stable Diffusion, you can create breathtaking visuals with just a few lines of text. The key here is mastering the art of the prompt. Your creativity is channeled into describing the exact image you want to create. Think like a director. You might prompt a photorealistic image of a majestic red fox wearing a tiny steampunk top hat, sitting in a lush, magical forest at sunrise, with golden light filtering through the trees. So how do you make money from this? The possibilities are huge. You can sell your AI-generated art on print-on-demand platforms. Websites like Printful or Redbubble let you upload your designs, and they handle everything else: the printing on t-shirts, mugs, posters, phone cases, and the shipping. When someone buys a product with your design, you get a royalty. You're not holding any inventory. You're not dealing with customer service. You are simply the creative mind, the prompter, behind the art. You can also sell your designs as digital downloads on platforms like Etsy, create unique logos for small businesses on freelance sites, or even illustrate children's books. You're leveraging AI to become a prolific artist and designer. No formal training required. Our third method is for anyone who's ever thought about having a YouTube channel or a podcast but was intimidated by the production process. I'm talking about AI-driven video and audio creation. This is where things get really futuristic. There are now AI tools that can automate almost every aspect of media production. For example, you can use AI scriptwriters to outline your videos, just like we discussed for blogging. Then, you can use text-to-speech software with incredibly realistic high voices, like those from 11 Labs or Plate, to narrate your script. You no longer have to worry if you don't like the sound of your own voice or don't have a professional microphone. But what about the visuals? Tools like Pictory or InVideo can take your script and automatically create a video for you, sourcing relevant stock footage, adding captions, and syncing it all to music. For more advanced creators, high editing tools can automatically cut out silences, generate subtitles, and even reframe your videos for different social media platforms. And it doesn't stop there. With AI avatars from companies like Synthesia or Hagen, you can create a video with a digital presenter, meaning you never even have to be on camera yourself. You can create faceless YouTube channels in niches like history, finance, or meditation, and produce content consistently with minimal effort. The AI handles the technical tasks, freeing you up to focus on the ideas and the strategy. It's a game changer for content creators who want to scale their output without burning out. Finally, let's look at the world of e-commerce and how AI can become your ultimate business manager. Running an online store, whether it's through dropshipping or selling your own products, involves a ton of repetitive tasks. You have to write product descriptions, run marketing campaigns, answer customer questions, and analyze sales data. AI can automate or significantly speed up all of these. Let's say you're dropshipping products from a supplier. You can use an AI tool to write compelling, persuasive, and SEO-optimized product descriptions for hundreds of items in a matter of minutes. No more staring at a blank page trying to figure out how to describe another coffee mug. For marketing, AI can analyze customer data to help you create highly targeted ad campaigns on Facebook or Google, ensuring your budget is spent reaching the people most likely to buy. AI-powered chatbots can be integrated into your website to provide 24/7 customer support, answering common questions about shipping, returns, or product specs. This frees up your time and improves the customer experience. Furthermore, AI can analyze your sales trends and suggest which products to promote, what to restock, or even predict what new products might be popular with your audience. In essence, AI gives a solo entrepreneur the power of a full marketing, sales, and analytics team, allowing you to run a sophisticated e-commerce operation from your laptop. So, there you have it, 4 powerful, low-effort ways to start generating income with AI. We've covered AI-powered content creation for blogs and affiliate sites, creating and selling AI-generated art on print-on-demand platforms, automating video and podcast production for faceless channels, and using AI to streamline and optimize an e-commerce business. The common thread here is leverage. AI is a tool that allows you to leverage your time and creativity in ways that were never possible before. It's not about being lazy in a negative sense. It's about being strategically lazy. It's about automating the repetitive, time-consuming tasks so you can focus on the big picture, the ideas, the strategy, and the creative direction. The future doesn't belong to those who work the hardest. It belongs to those who work the smartest. And right now, working smart means working with AI. My challenge to you is this. Don't just watch this video. Pick one of these methods that excites you the most. Just one. Go and explore the tools I mentioned. Many of them have free trials. Play around with them. Generate an image. Write a blog post. Create a short video clip. See for yourself how powerful and accessible this technology is. The barrier to entry for creating a new income stream has never been lower. The time to start is now. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful and want more insights into leveraging new technologies for financial freedom, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comments which AI method you're going to try first. See you in the next video.